like I'm a whole bad bitch out here. What? I'm sorry, what'd you say? What'd you say? I'm sorry, I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. New face, who dis? What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Atia Jenkins, and this is my channel. I really feel like I need to come up with a new intro, like, hey guys, or what's good, y'all? It's your girl. Maybe just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. In today's video, I am going to be doing a full face using products by Huda Beauty. You know, I decided to do a little bit more Black Friday shopping. I got the Complexion Perfection pre-makeup base, so primer, the foundation, and this is in the shade Cinnamon, 440G Cinnamon. I also picked up the Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder and the Tantor Contour and Bronzing Cream, and this is in the shade Tan. Lastly but not leastly, I went and I also purchased the Boss Face Waterproof Setting Spray. Oh wait, I forgot. I also got the brush. So this is her face build and buff foundation brush. Yes, so you have the foundation buffing brush on this side, which is very nice. And then on this side, it's like an angled kind of like buffing brush. I saw on her website that she used it for the Tantor, the contour, kind of like this and do all that stuff. So that's what we're going to do today. I already had the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and this one is the Bronze Sands edition. And then I also have the Huda Beauty Demi Matte lipstick in the shade Revolutionaire. If you not have already done so, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. It means so much when you subscribe to me. Watch time is important, okay? I feel like a lot of us upcoming YouTubers who really trying to like make it, we do not mention watch time. Watch time is important. Is what gets us the moolah, okay? The money, the hour, the monetization. So I really appreciate if you watch this video all the way through. Also, do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you never miss any videos from me. All right, so like I said, I've never used any of her other products before besides the highlight and the lipstick. That is it. So this is going to be so brand new to me, just like it's brand new to you guys. Okay, we are going to start. Oh, okay. Primer. Ooh, it smells really good too. Like it smells like skincare, like something that you would just use to moisturize your face. So I decided to do colored eyeshadow. So instead of making the mistake I made last time, like putting all that product on my face first, I'm going to go do my eyes first. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use is the Mauves by Juvia's Place. So I'm just going to do a quick little, you know, not too crazy little eyeshadow look. And then we're going to proceed into the Huda Beauty. All right, so my eyes are done. There's no fallout. I got rid of all of that. So now we are good to go with the rest of this face. The shade that I felt like probably would have worked best for me was actually sold out. So this was like the next best thing, if you know what I'm saying. Oh, okay. It looks like it might work for me. So, ooh. Oh, okay. I did good. I did good. This is a good match. I am a cinnamon babe. And now I'm going to use the concealer. I have forgot to mention that I actually purchased this as well. So I got the concealer. And this is their Overachiever Concealer in the shade Toasted Almond 20G. I'm not quite sure how full coverage her concealer is. So that's why I'm only putting like little tiny dabs, because this might blend out to be a whole lot. Today's Beauty Blender Sponge is brought to you by Beauty Bakery. This is their Black Excellence collection, and it is so cute. Oh my gosh. The blending eggs for black beauties and cute chicks, okay? Soft boiled eggs are the best. Dip in water, squeeze, blend to perfection. These are so cute. These are so cute. And it actually comes in like a little egg carton. Oh my god, I love it. When you open it, there's 6 individually wrapped egg sponges. I have one here. This is the black one. This is how much in size it doubles. So yeah, they're really soft. I really like them. So I actually do have a Huda Beauty sponge that is also black, but it's dirty right now. So she's in timeout right now. I have to wash her. Oh yeah, just like I thought. Very full coverage. Very you need a little bit goes a long way type deal. This is really nice though. I like this shade. It's so like it definitely highlights, but it's subtle. It's not super yellow, which I feel like I've been running into that problem a lot lately. This concealer sticks. Okay, next up we have our Huda Beauty baking powder, easy bake setting powder, and this is in the shade Blondie. Put it here. Ooh, that's nice. Y'all know I don't really bake like that, so I'm actually not going to bake. That's a really nice powder. Okay. You ain't had to do this to me, Huda. You ain't had to do this to me, girl. It like instantly equalizes like my skin tone. It's finely milled. It's not caking up. It's not clumping up. Oh yeah. It's nice. And the pores, honey? What pores? What pores? Because I don't see them. The Huda Beauty Tantour Contour stuff. So this is the shade that I got. Huda Beauty is all about the contour, okay? She's all about the contour and the tan and the shaping of the face. I, on the other hand, am not the biggest contour person out there, but I'm going to do it today. Fit it in like so. That's a lot, and that's dark. What the hell? No, here, because that's what she did. And then here. So this whole like, I guess kind of like a 3. Just kind of blended it down in a downward motion. I'm gonna blend up. My face is about to be snizzatched, okay? Lord have mercy, this is a lot. What? Maybe it's just me. Yeah, I need to relearn contouring techniques since I haven't done it in so long. I used to be contour queen, okay? You couldn't tell me a damn thing. But the funny thing is, back then my face was so much skinnier and I still felt like I needed to contour. And now my face is a lot fuller and my cheeks are like puffier and all that. I got the little double chin thing going on, and I don't contour. Like, I'll bronze a little bit, but contouring is like, I don't need that. Now I'm going in with the highlight and contour palette, which I already had and have been using quite a bit because it's actually really good. So she has this whole process here. So you prep, set, sculpt, flush. So apply Barbados as a base, Maldives on top. Okay, whatever. Essentially what you're supposed to do is you take a little bit of the cream highlight and you kind of just here, which is really nice even just by itself. And you're supposed to then you take Maldives, which is a powder highlight, or a pressed highlight, should I say. You're supposed to put that over top of it to give it more of a pop. I was like, okay, I see. Okay, and then sculpt under cheekbones to add dimension and shape. So this is actually supposed to be kind of like a contouring deal. Oh, okay, it actually don't want. Okay, wait a minute. It's looking like it's doing a little something. A little something. Put a little bit here again. Lastly but not leastly, you're supposed to add Barbados to the actual cheek. So this is supposed to be a blush, but it's shiny. I'm about to be real shiny. Okay, Huda, she got her little system going on. That's cute or whatever. This is cute. It's real cute. Now I'm going to go and apply the lipstick. I don't know. I really don't know if I'm going to need a lip liner for this, but I don't necessarily need a lip liner, but I feel like, actually no, I do need a lip liner. Now that I see it, I should have just applied it before, but whatever. Okay. Oh, I'm forgetting. Oh, I'm going to spray my face. I'm still going to apply lashes and liner. I like to do setting spray before I do that. Ooh. Ooh, that smells so good. Makes me feel a little rich. Ooh. Ooh. It's a damn shame that I don't have nowhere to go right now. Like, what? Oh my God. And I haven't even put on lashes yet, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I had to catch my breath. I had to catch my breath. You don't know what you just did. Girl, do you know what you just did? I don't think you know what you just did. I don't think you know. Ten out of 10. 10, 100 out of 10, okay? Hold up. Huda got me out here feeling like it's not just a bag. It's Prada. All right, let me stop playing. This video has already been recording for like an hour and 30 minutes. I'm gonna get going. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Comment down below, have you ever tried Huda Beauty products? Any products, whether it be the foundation, the highlight, the eyeshadow, anything like that. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know what you think about this look. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for staying until the end. If you did, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any new videos from me. And I will see you guys next week.